Most developers can use higher order functions, but when an interviewer asks, what does it mean when we say functions as first class citizens in Kotlin, they freeze. By the end of this video, you will not only understand the meaning behind that phrase, but also learn how to explain it clearly in one line with examples. Stay till the end because I will share a short recall checklist that will make this concept unforgettable. Hello world class coder, welcome to BackToCoding. I am Milind Amrutkar and today we will break down what it really means when we say higher order functions let you treat functions as first class citizens in Kotlin. This is part of my Android interview quick revision series designed to help you master interview concepts fast. Here's what we will cover today: a clear definition and example, common pitfalls candidates make, and a real world Android use case with a recall checklist. Here's how you can say it in an interview. In Kotlin, functions are first class citizens, meaning they can be stored in variables, passed as parameters, or returned from other functions. Higher order functions are the ones that make this possible. Let's break that down with an example. Here, operate is a higher order function. It takes another function add as a parameter, and because functions in Kotlin are first class, we can treat them like any other variable, store them, pass them, or return them. Think of functions as tools. Normally, you use a tool directly, but with higher order functions, you can hand a tool to another tool, and that tool can decide when and how to use it. That's functional programming in action. Many candidates mix these two ideas. They say higher order functions and first class functions are the same thing, but that's only half true. Here's the difference. First class functions is the ability. Kotlin allows you to store and use functions like variables. Higher order functions are the feature, the actual functions that take or return other functions. So one enables the other. You can think of it like this: first class is the rule, higher order is the implementation of that rule. Interview takeaway. In Kotlin, functions are first class citizens. Higher order functions are the ones that use this feature to take or return other functions. If you say that line confidently, you will ace this question. You are already using higher order functions every single day in Android, whether you realize it or not. Let's take an example. That setOnClickListener call is powered by a higher order function. The listener accepts a lambda function, that's your anonymous block of code, and executes it when the button is clicked. You also see it in coroutines, collection operations like map, filter, and for each. All of these rely on functions being treated as first class citizens. Here's the quick recall checklist. First class functions, ability to treat functions like variables. Higher order functions, take or return functions. You use them daily in listeners, collections, and coroutines. Remember, first class is the capability, higher order is the usage. If you can recall these four, you have nailed this concept for your next Kotlin interview. Until next time, keep coding like the champion you already are and keep watching BackToCoding. If this helped, watch this next.